I dreamed of an industrial India, a nation that could build its own future. My name is Jamsetji Tata, and this is 1 Minute Legends. I was born in 1839, Navsari, a small town in Gujarat, into a small family of priests. But my path was different. Through my father's trading business, I saw the world of industry. India was under British rule. I believed India must produce its own goods. So I built modern textile mills in Bombay and Nagpur. One of them, I proudly named Swadeshi Mill, a mill built to support Indian-made goods, a mill to build the best, softest cotton clothes. But my dreams were bigger. In 1903, my dream rose in Bombay. The legendary Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, one of the first hotels in India with electricity, a hotel as grand as any in the world. My vision also included a steel city that would become Jamshedpur and a research institute that would become Indian Institute of Science. But I did not live to see them built. My vision did, and my donations, in today's value, would equal over $102 billion. And that is how one man's vision helped build India's industrial future. Follow for more 1 Minute Legends